I think I got him. I should have got him on camera. Bike out today. Woo! Got a duck. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. Just riding around, I guess. Oh my goodness, I got a trim back here. Got to catch up on all these trails. There's just not enough time. Let's go to the right. To the right. Woo! That was slippery. Yeah, but sorry I missed Tuesday's video. I was just kind of busy with work. I'm gonna try and have 3 videos for next week. I'm somewhat making progress on the pit bike. For those of you who don't know, my pit bike is actually broken. I was riding it just down a gravel road, nothing like crazy. I just shifted into 4th gear, which is the highest gear. It only has 4 gears. And so low RPM is 4th gear. And the chain either snapped. I think the master link fell out. I think that's what happened. I'm not 100% positive, but that's what I think happened. And then when the master link came out, it came around and cracked the case to the flywheel, which sucks. And then with that also it broke the magneto, which is an electrical component, if you guys don't know what that is. Kind of sends the signal to the spark plug to tell the motor to start. So that broke, so it won't even start right now. I already have the parts in, but I was taking it apart and I accidentally stripped a screw. So, and it was the last screw I needed to take out for it to basically be all apart. So I gotta figure that out. I know they got some stuff you can buy for that. That's a problem. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Why do I want to go through here? Oh, it's pretty dry. Oh my god. It's probably still muddy though. Oh yeah. Oh no, no. Oh, way too short to be doing this. Oh, you suck. Gosh. Let's find neutral before the mosquitoes get you. There we go. Get this out of here. Made it. But yeah, what was I gonna say? What was I talking about? I don't remember. I know it was something about my pit bike, but I don't remember where. But anyways, that should be up soon, or I'm gonna try and get that back up as soon as possible. Kind of sucks that it's broke. I like riding that thing during the week, or just any time. It's a pretty fun bike. It's a small but fun bike. But for those of you who have Instagram, please go follow me. My Instagram account is JakesPlace12. I don't know if I ever am gonna miss a video or something. I can notify you guys. Because I feel bad when I miss videos, like I've said before. It's just hard sometimes. But yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I will try and let you guys know if I'm going to be missing a video. Also, I take some pretty cool pictures once in a while. Oh! I almost ate it. I guess. If you could say that. I don't know. Oh. That was slippery, boy. That was super slippery. I don't even know where I'm going. I always hate this because then the trail disappears. Woo. Oh. Oh, this is soft. Where do I go? It's hard to keep track of this trail. I think it's this way. I think this is right. I don't know where I am. Oh, there we go. I think. I don't know. Where am I? I feel like I'm super lost. I have no idea where I am right now. This is hilarious. Is this the right trail? Where am I going? I feel like this is the wrong way. I never usually go on this trail backwards. Oh no, we're right. Oh. There was a log. Woo! That was a big one. Not today. Do a couple wheelies. Couple wheelies. Yeah, that worked. What year am I in? I'm only first. Jesus. It's up a lot better when it's dry out. Let's try this. Look at that, it cut so bad. It's like a little racetrack now. Whip, whoop. Woo! That feels good. That feels good for sure. I can ride right now. I really gotta figure out a way to get these weeds off of here. They sell like these sprayers that you can hook up to the back of your ATV, and you put like Roundup in it, and it's like a 5-foot wide arm. I think they're like 150 bucks, but that'd be really nice because then I could keep the weeds down. Just go spray them. I spray them right now, but only with the like a handheld one, so it's kind of hard. Go in the woods for a little bit. Can find my way. Find my way into the woods. Oh god, I almost fell. So shady. It's like Slim Shady in here. Oh god. 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 I don't feel like riding fast in here. Just kind of want to putz around. Maybe in a little bit I'll go fast. Too many logs to go fast in here. You can't see any of them. Like this one. They just pop up and then you gotta jump them. Okay, where are the deers at? For real. They're out here all the time. So there has to be some in here. I'm gonna be disappointed if I don't see any. Oh, can I fit this? Oh! And you get into situations like that. 4th of July is coming up for everyone that's in the USA. I'm getting ready to light off some fireworks. I know you guys are too. I have a pretty cool video idea in mind. But it wouldn't be for a while because I'd have to make it all. And I'd have to set everything up. Oh! But it'd be really cool. It would definitely be an awesome video. So possibly I might set it up. It might not be for a while though, like a couple months, even not until next summer. But I'd like to make it as soon as possible. It'd be really fun. But alright guys, I think I'm gonna head out. I will catch you guys on Tuesday. Like I said, I'm gonna try and have 3 videos next week. Hopefully I can do that. But yeah, if this is your first time watching my videos, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. At least I try to. But yeah, feel free to subscribe and I will catch you guys next time. Peace out. One wheelie. Crappy wheelie. Small wheelie. Okay, bye.